Hey, today we're talking about the 4 acres and Sunset Hills areas of Raleigh. Welcome, I'm Christian Ward from Keller Williams Legacy. This area runs roughly Wade Avenue to the south, Oberlin Road on the east, Churchill Road to the north, and Dixie Trail on the west. 4 acres and Sunset Hills is a lot like other of the Triangle's friendly communities. People who live here say hi, walk their dogs, run, ride, and fix up and maintain their homes. This part of Raleigh is ITB, walking distance to shopping, Whole Foods, and coffee shops, and some great restaurants. It's less than 10 minutes to downtown Raleigh and easy driving via 40 and 440 to Raleigh-Durham-Chapel Hill. These communities offer an eclectic mix of housing, from the simple to the sublime. It includes both modern homes and classic or vintage homes, and the apartment community of Solis Hills. 4 acres and Sunset have many homeowners choosing renovation over moving. There are 12 active homes in this area. There are 24 homes that have sold this year at an average of $1.2 million with 18 days on the market. There are also 6 homes pending closing at an average of $1.5 million and 6 days on the market. Thanks for joining our tour today and for watching this video. If you are thinking about the housing market, reach out to me and we can talk about your best approach, whether selling or buying a new home. Make it a great day.